Now you can create any kind of video you want. Today, I will share the method of making this kind of hugging or kissing video with an amazing AI video generator, Polo AI. So, without further ado, let's dive in. There are so many AI video generators that can create kissing or hugging videos like this. However, today, I will use Polo AI to create the video because it can generate high-quality videos within a minute, whereas other video generators take longer. Let's start. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. This is the text-to-video generation interface. We already made a detailed video on Polo AI text-to-video and image-to-video features. You can watch the video from the I button after watching this video. I will put the link in the description also. Let's have a quick recap. Here in this box, you have to enter your prompt to generate a video from the text prompt. After entering the prompt, set the video mode. Standard mode for fast AI video generation and professional mode for higher video quality, but with a longer generation time. Next, set the video aspect ratio, prompt strength, video length, camera control, and camera movement, and in the end, enter the negative prompt. Then hit the Create button to generate the video. After waiting some time, you will get the video result. After text to video, you will find the image to video tool. Here you can turn your images into videos. To do that, simply, if you have an end frame of your video, turn on the end frame option from here and then upload it. After that, enter the detailed prompt. Set the mode between standard and professional, and then adjust all other settings. Once done, hit the Create button and wait some time. And here it is. Our video is ready. That's amazing. Now let's move forward to the video topic. Creating a hugging or kissing video. Here is the main surprise waiting for you. Polo AI added a new feature called Templates. On the Templates page, you will find various templates to create particular types of videos easily and very quickly. There are a bunch of options available here. Let's start with the AI kissing video. This is the AI kissing video generator interface. Now we have to enter the images of the person. Polo AI suggests you upload 2 images of different people. The images should share the same aspect ratio and feature only one person in each image. You can upload one image that contains 2 people too. I am uploading the images I want to use. After uploading the images, set the aspect ratio. You can crop the images. Always keep the same aspect ratio for both images. Once the images is uploaded, you can modify the prompt from here. But I think the prompts are just perfect. Okay, once everything is set, hit the Create button. It will take around 1 minute to generate the video. So, let's fast forward this part. Let's create an AI hug video. This is the AI hug generator interface. It's the same as the AI kissing video generator interface. Here we have to upload the images of the person. I am uploading Elon Musk and Oppenheimer images in the same aspect ratio. Now you can customize the prompt. I am skipping this time. Now simply hit the Create button like before. Alright, after waiting some time, I got this result. This is just amazing. Polo AI generates this kind of realistic video within a minute. If you are enjoying the video, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, now let's move forward to the AI Handshake video generator. After coming to this page, like before, we have to upload the images of 2 people in the same aspect ratio. After uploading the images, customize the prompt if needed, and then hit the Create button. And this is the resulting video. Polo AI did a great job. I love it. Okay, our next template is the AI Squish effect. With this template, you can create this kind of video. After coming to this page, we have to upload the image of any object that we want to squish. After uploading the image, customize the prompt if you want, and then hit the Create button. And here it is. Polo AI generates this amazing video. It looks funny. So, now you can create this kind of fun video from any object image. Okay, next we have the AI Inflate effect. With this template, you can generate AI videos inflating anyone or anything. You have to upload an image of anyone or anything by clicking here and then hit the Create button. Now wait some time, and you will get a video like this. That's amazing. Okay, the next template is the AI Explode effect. With this template, you can upload any image containing people or objects and magically transform it into a hilarious video where everything explodes. Simply upload the image and then hit the Create button. And your video will be ready within a minute like this. With this same method, you can turn your static image into a video with a stunning melting effect, making your subjects appear as if they're dripping and flowing like a liquid with the AI melt effect. Alright, Christmas is coming. Do you want to transform yourself into Santa Claus? Then use this AI Santa transformation template. After coming to this page, upload your image here and then hit the Create button. And boom, you will turn into Santa immediately. Like this, you can create a video where Santa delivers a gift to someone with simply their photo. Next, you can create heartwarming festive videos from your photos, featuring people toasting to the season and celebrating together with this AI Christmas toasting video generator. In the end, you can simply upload a photo of yourself, your friends, or your family, and watch as Santa Claus himself wraps you in a warm, festive hug with this AI Santa Hug video generator. So, now you can create various special event videos with Polo AI without entering complex prompts or spending plenty of time. It will save a lot of time. That's why I like this tool, because time is money. So, to create any kind of video or turn your images into videos, you can use Polo AI. Don't forget to try Polo AI to create fun. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear about your experience with generating videos with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating.